Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher with the February challenge. This is the Accordion Love monthly challenge. Every month over on Accordion Love, we take a lesson and we try and apply it. Just so we don't just view a lesson, but we have a community of musicians and we support each other from around the world with a musical lesson. This month's challenge is based on a song ending. We've already had a song ending, which was Shave and a Haircut 2 Bits. This month's challenge is about the classic blues ending, which sounds like this. How do we do that? That's what the lesson is about, and your challenge is to do the classic blues ending in a key other than C major. Choose any key, G major, and show me the ending. This is a more complicated lesson, so it's okay to do it just with your right hand and the easier version. Let me show you what that's like. I'll do it in a key of F major just so I don't reveal the actual challenge. In F major, I find my 1, find my 5, and here it is. For keener students, I use keener in the best way possible. Try the multi-fingered version. Super keeners, try and find the multi-fingered version with the flat 7 in the end. Ultra keeners, super bonus points, use your left hand. Here it is in F major. I'm probably going to screw it up. Got it. Yeah, that's your monthly challenge. Again, the monthly challenge is open for Accordion Love members to submit, but any of you can go and take a look at the entries. See what other people, just like you, how they're progressing in their accordion. You can sign up for a free 3-day trial to Accordion Love, and the incentive of doing this, in addition to being a part of the community, if you enter 6 challenges, there's no right or wrong answer. I just want to see you trying. If you enter 6 challenges over the course of a year, I'll send you the Accordion Love t-shirt, the one that I wore on the live stream. For free, no extra cost. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, I want to see you do the ending in G major, the classic blues ending. Let me know if you have any questions. Enjoy.